Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find your Discord number on your Android device. Whether you're looking to update your information or simply curious, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. If you haven't done so already, launch the app and log in to your account. Next, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up your user profile, where you can manage your settings. Now, look for the gear icon at the top right of your profile page. This icon represents the settings, so tap on it to access all the configuration options available. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down a bit and look for the Account option. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to a page detailing your account information. Finally, keep an eye out for your number. You'll find it listed right next to the phone section. That's it. You now know how to find your Discord number in just a few simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using all your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.